Yes, big up, big up, big up. Sounds our brains out. Don't touch is blank. It's part three. Where were we? Let's talking more technicals. So we got this nice trend line. Price has been pushing down. We got double tops. We got consolidation, big double top with pullbacks. Got a little exhaustion here, but we can see what happens. You know, if we do two touches, if we use our touches, we're gonna use this, which would be the point A or point number one, and then this right here, I would use. Yo, stop playing with me, all right, children? I pay my subscription just like everybody else. Okay, bomb off the daily, one touch, two touch, and then we just follow through. So smooth anticipation, not too much to it, but to do it, we got weekly resistance, weekly support, nice structure, broke, came down, broke above, touched again, broke below this zone here. So we could see we could pull our fibs out, just for a big overall projection. Bomb, use a low, came back up to 61.8, seems to be consolidating there. The consolidation, the correlation to that would be negative 61.8, but we're not going to ignore the, the stop, the little pip stop on the way. So 1669, possibly 17, we can use that. So you can draw that there, bomb, based off your daily, keep it organized, copy that, let the technology work, you do less work. That's why we're trading, right? Less work, more brains, more money, more time. Okay, so we can use that there. So moving forward, now we wait. I don't need to drop down too much. I can drop down to the 4 hour just for you, just for the video's sake. Got double time rejections. Um, and we see lower highs and lower lows being made already. So we can use this zone here possibly. See what it does when it gets there. Where is that at? About, yeah, which we're at right now. 1957, 1960, possibly go past push back up to 1992, 20 flat. Possibilities. All while staying and maintaining high time frame structure. Because we see how it does over here. It's possible. Started downtrending, push back up, gave you a nice little fake out, and then drop down. So it's pushing down, pushing down. Could do the same thing, push back up to this 20, and then drop down. So just be mindful. That's silver. Okay, you jizzle, you jizzle. Oh, would you look at that? Bit of a tweezer top forming, eh? Possibilities. So we got this coming out of here. So let's use that based off of the monthly. See how it lines up. Doesn't have to be perfect, ladies and gentlemen. Just have a good idea. Look at that. Have a good idea. Bomb. So we got touches, a double top possibly in formation. We see price gap down and push back up, filling it in. Okay. So we got this support here. Okay. So possibilities. We see the support being held here still. So we can use that as well. That's nice. So it's breaking out support and resistance, broke above. This was definitely news. If you didn't know, now you know. So we're holding support right here around 142.90, 143, possibly push down to 141. Possibilities. Oh, hold on. Yeah, let's do a JPY. G Jizzle. Um, that's very interesting. Very interesting. Monthly. So we obviously were bullish. Been pushing up. Zoom out. So big drops. Counter trend. Big drops. Holding the support here overall. Okay. Let's see something. Oh, excuse me. Let's see something. Wow. So can price push down? Obviously, yes. Does price need a rest and need to retrace? Yes. The structure still going to be maintained. Can you catch sell opportunities? Yes. Okay. It's weekly. Nothing to it but to do it. So we see a bit of a ascending triangle. Am I the only one who sees it? Am I the only one who sees it? Okay. Just flipping through. Am I moving too fast? Just flipping through. Price waits on no man. You know, pips don't wait on anybody. So just being ready. See price put up, double top, had a bearish variation here after consolidating at this support here, in which price opened up on the weekend and then took off. Blast off on me. Okay? So we can see it come back down possibly to 161.75. You can use psychological levels. Right now it's at 163.20, 25 at this support here. I know you guys see it. I see it too. You know, people say they see ghosts. They see all types of things. Dead people. You know, I see support and resistance. You dig what I'm saying? I ain't with that freaky stuff. So here we are right now. Come on, I got my bad. That's unprofessional. I didn't put this on side. That's unprofessional of me. Very unprofessional. Big double top. Big double top. So prices blasted off again. Like I said, a lot of news. They had GDP. For GBP, we had the Elizabeth. She passed away. Um, it's just how it is, you know. Elizabeth the Third. I don't no. I'm not even gonna get into that because I don't even know anything about England except for what I know, you know, from my history. Okay, so let's see. Let's find some music. This was hitting yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. This was hitting yesterday. These advertisements, I think, I think are very sickening. These advertisements really killing me. Yo. All right, so we're at support right now. We could see where it comes back to. Might want to pull back up to here, 164.50, 164.75. We're about right here. I use quarters with JPYs, so it just makes it real simple. So right now we're at like 163.25, 163.20, a little 20 pips, you know, away from 163 flat. So we can see what it does. You know, we see the patterns here. We see the patterns here. Could use daily. Daily would have been cleaner. So it could come all the way back down, like I said, at 161.75. It's opportunities. Haven't quite lost my bullish bias on it because GBP JPY doesn't quite move the same as GU or GA or GBP NZD. So yeah, GU been drizzy dropping, been drip dropping. I believe I had this in a yeah, I think I had it in a weekly or a daily channel. Yeah, real simple, real simple. So I reached the low that it hasn't seen in a while, and price has been in this channel somewhat, you know. Okay. Yeah, so it never broke out of here, came back up, rejected. Did three soldiers, um three consecutive bearish candles. You can call it whatever you want, three ninjas, three crocodiles, three chipmunks, you know, three baddies. I don't care. Whatever helps you. Broke through support, indecision, dropped, never fell back. Right here, gap, fill in the gap, and it's continued to drop. So we could see it push back up to this channel, could see it push back up to this high, still maintaining structure. Going to the weekly. Yeah. Going to the monthly. Yeah. Is this where we're coming? Are we coming over here? Let's draw this. Monthly. Is that where we're going? Well, we obviously have this wick. So we filled in this wick. We finally filled in this wick over here. Look for wick fills. The market will tell you where it's about to go. It won't tell you how long it's going to take to get there, but it'll definitely give you a heads up. And then we have this support here and structure, which it broke out of. So we have a clean break. Price may have found a lower low. Might pull back, might not. So that's where we're at right now. Perfect. I'm good. Not too much, not too much. Just a little sauce. Just a little sauce. Don't overdo it, you know? Just a little season, just a little sauce. This is oogly to me. This is very oogly. What in the world? What in the world, ladies and gentlemen? I don't even want to cut up on this low key, but I have to. The trader in me wants to. He has to. It's a must. Okay? That's monthly. Keep it clean. Keep it organized. Okay? See that head and shoulders there? Very nice. Very clean. Pull back up. So I'm going to use that. I need a big trade. That's what everybody said. I need a big trade. Everybody want the holy grail. You know, everybody knows it's not no holy grail. All these advertisements, you know what they're doing by now. Don't play yourself. Don't beat yourself. Treat yourself. You know what I'm saying? I don't even like this. Let me get rid of this. You know, when you're doing too much on the charts, you're actually doing too much on the charts. When something looks ugly and I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't know what it's doing. This is what you do. Next. Look at this. You're gonna sit there and deal with this, and look at this. Same type of base, which would be the EUR, something way cleaner. We know that the dollar's being inflated. We know that euro's having recession issues. Okay, but we're still gonna cut up on this, so we can have an idea. Once you want to have an idea, you can come back later. Set up your alerts. Bomb. The price right now we're at $1.4815. If you don't know what that means the conversion is $1.48. Round up to $1.49 if you want to, in conversion with the Australian dollar. So obviously it's a strong versus weak. The stronger pair is euro versus the odd. Been pushing down, so that's the conversion. It's worth $1.49 if you go over to Australia. So the stronger pair is obviously euro. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is where you definitely have to look at what's relevant because that is crazy. Okay. So we're in this right here. We could push back up, seeing $1. See 1.529, 1.530. And see what it does then. Drop down to the daily at least. Okay. You see it broke out of this resistance here. Bomb. So price could be heading up. We do have this next level here, which we had a lot of exhaustion. Just have to be mindful and be careful. Again, keep it clean. And that's right now. Pit, 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 pit. Okay. Euro US dollar. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. UK has been pushing up. Big bullish. Big bullish. Come on, guys. Do I really big bullish? Do I have to go through everything? See it kind of trending after this long leg. If you have a problem seeing what's going on, look at the legs. Legs. Consolidation. This was legs. Transition. Broke the lower high. Started making higher lows. I'm seeing this. This is scribble scrabble. I backed the screen up. You can't even see price action. Do I need price action? Let's do that. Is that better? So we got a big double bottom here. Price broke below, made a double top, broke below, but still maintained this resistance right here and turned into newfound support. Went back up to 980.982, came down, made like a bit of a head and shoulders if you scroll out, inverted head and shoulders, excuse me. Shout out Craig. I don't even trade this. I don't even trade these. We got this resistance right here in which it made. Now finding support on it. It's an ugly double bottom, but you may not like it, but that doesn't mean that it's not what it is. It's not gonna be perfect for you or else everybody would trade. You know what I'm saying? And we got price pushing up, turning into support. So we got targets up here, possibly at 9.7. Good 100 pips, 120 pips. Very sexy. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. NZDCAD. I think NZD's been dropping. Yeah. It's not the prettiest, but if you see the piano, then I see it too. You know what I'm saying? Off the daily, keep it clean. Let's go up to the monthly. Obviously bearish. Obviously bearish. You don't need to be trading for 2 years, 3 years to see that it's all engulfing. Obviously bearish. A lot of accumulation. Prices might want to push back up. You see it broke below here. Go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so we could see it push back up to 798, possibly using the daily, maybe stronger bias for you. We already broke out of here. Could push all the way back up and still maintain. It's the leg. It's the leg. You can look at this and get caught up in it, or you can look at the legs, the impulses, the legs, the legs. I like legs. I don't know about you. I like legs. All Swift. All has been very bearish. Um, very, very bearish. I don't know about you, girl. Again, we had this resistance. If you look at my page, I got cut ups on all switch for a while. We had this double top here with a lot of exhaustion, dead giveaway. Um, yeah. So we had this major support here based off of the high time frame. It goes all the way back, all the way back. So we can use that. Prices reach down here. Could see a descent all the way down to 6414. It's at 6471, so about 60 pips. Could continue down. Possibly come all the way down to 63. There's opportunities. Could come back up. Maybe if it want to retest, I use daily because it's pretty bearish. It's looking like it's forming another leg. Already retested up here around 665.65. Yeah, so it could come back up. Counter trend maybe. A lot of things are counter trending this week. Yeah, could come back up to 0.60575. Oh, excuse me, 0.065075. 0.065100. But I'm overall bearish on that. Not too much to it. Still bearish. Legs, legs. Oh, we got a leg up here. So how long will this bearish trend last for Bitcoin? Because overall people are not letting go of it. So I don't think you should either. It's been in the game. It did have a big explosion, and people are anticipating another one. So something to be mindful of. It's in a looking to the left. It's at a major resistance that's now found support. So it's been playing in this zone between about 24K and about 19, 18K. So we'll see. This Ethereum's looking bearish, so we could see a drop back down to about 1,000. It's at 14. Could see a drop back down to 1,000. Bitcoin could drop. Yeah, it could drop to about here, about 16K, about 14K. That's all I got for y'all, man. Enjoy your weekend. It's not nothing to it but to do it. You already know who it is. It's your boy Drew. Peace, love, happiness, and power. Keep trading and never give up on yourself. Brains out, love, respect.